Sometimes I feel like I just wanna go back to my old ways. You're telling me I'm silly, it's no fun. And the old sometimes I feel like I just wanna go back to my
Hi guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog moment. I went to the Glossier store with my sister-in-law Denise and I had so much fun. I hope you guys can check it out if you are in the LA area, or I think they have one in New York. I don't know, but it was a really good experience. Just want to point out they are not the most affordable place to go to for cosmetic wise, but I'm pretty sure you guys will find something and you will see why it's that expensive and it's kind of worth it, because I don't know, like, you have to know the products and it's very aesthetically cute. I don't know, I got drawn into it. So further ado, let's go do my little haul. So here it is. This is what I got at the Glossier store. So with every purchase you make, they give you this little cute reusable tote bag. It's like this off beige color. It's very pretty, and then they have like a little name tag for you when you pick up your stuff. And then Glossier, and then Los Angeles. So it's really, really cute, and everybody there is really, really sweet. And it says, "You look good." Thank you. So don't mind my face. I've had a long day today, and I'm gonna do like a little bit of a get ready first impression with these products. I haven't tested them out. I've been waiting for like 3 days to test them out for you guys, so you guys will see my raw like reaction to these products. I mean, I swatched them on my hand and stuff, but not on my face. So like, I'm really excited to use these, so let's get started. So I only bought 2 items because I couldn't really afford anything else in there because it was very expensive. But yeah, so it came in their Ziploc little cute pink bubble wrap like they usually do. I got a Snapchat. Okay. Anyway, I really, really like it. Little cute Ziploc. This is really cool. It's reusable, and you can see your makeup in here, and I really like it. And then they give you a little sample of their Glossier Jelly Milk Cleanser. Really cool. And then you get a little sticker, or is it a tattoo? I don't know. But it's so cute. It's Glossier. So here are my products in here. So I got the Glossier Birthday Balm Dotcom. It's really cute. I really love their packaging. It's like a birthday cake. And then it's just so pretty, cute. She's cute and all, and it's like holographic. This retailed for $12. With tax, it comes up to $13.79, or I don't know, I'm not sure, positive. I don't have a receipt because they don't email you. And then it's like a cute holographic tube. And then the next thing is the cloud paint. This one. I got the color Dawn, and for the longest time I've been searching for an orange blush that will show up on my skin. I've seen like different orange blushes from the drugstore to high-end. They don't really show up on my face. I don't know why, but they're usually very light and not really pigmented. So I got this one. This is their cloud paint. It's just really cute, small. This retailed for $18 for a small product, but if you get 2, you get it for $15 each, so it makes it 2 for $30. And this is 33 fluid ounces, 10 millimeters, and it's really cute. So I only have sunscreen, powder, and a bit of blush on right now. So I'm just gonna remove this off my skin. So basically this is like a mini tutorial of a little what I would do on a daily basis, and then I would incorporate these two to see if they like look cute on me or not. And yeah. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna moisturize my face. I'm using the Tony Moly Cucumber Gel. This gel, I don't know what it's supposed to do, but my face just soaks it all up, and it's like very plump and hydrating all over my face. And I really, really appreciate that for the really hot summer days in Southern California right now. So I really need this. And I like to go in with a very affordable primer. This is the Wet n Wild primer. Super affordable. This feels like the Benefits Professional. Well, to me it does. So I really, really recommend it. There you go. And if you've never heard of this brand Glossier, their marketing is really aimed toward having a very natural face, like natural makeup and everything. So when you go to the store, or if you've tried their products, get it online, they're not that fully pigmented except the cloud paints, and probably this is the only thing that's really pigmented that I've saw that attracted me. Coming from a girl that loves full pigmentation, color, vivid everything, I like that. If you're going there, it's more of a natural look, a natural feel, a natural beauty within type of makeup line, and it's beautiful. And you know, all means do that, girl. I mean, I try to make my makeup look really nice and cute and natural, but I'm a full coverage, medium to full coverage queen, so yeah. So now for the final little, I'm not gonna put on mascara because it's supposed to be a cute, subtle look, okay? Eyeshadow kind of made it look a little glam, but yeah. I'm gonna be using the Cloud Paint in the color Dawn. This is a bright orange shade, but it's not like a bright neon orange. It's more of like orange mixed with a little bit of brown hints to it, but it's still beautiful. So I'm just gonna put a dollop right here and kind of show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look, it's a very pretty orange shade. I really, really like it, and I'm excited to use it now. I'm sorry if I keep looking in the middle of the screen because my camera's right here. Ooh. Okay, yes, girl, yes. I like it. Oh shoot, I put too much. Wow, she's really pretty. Like, I really, really like this. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit lightly. I don't really have any product in here, so I'm just gonna blend it a little so it gives it a softer look. But honestly, this is so pretty. I really, really, really like this. I'm so happy I have a blush that's orange, and I still have a lot of product left. I feel like I should use it on my lips. I really like this. You guys can see, like, it's just a natural flush. But in person, it looks orange, but on camera, it looks pink. Don't know why, but I really, really like it. It's very pretty. So I'm gonna put on a highlighter now. I need a highlighter. So I'm just gonna get the most subtle highlighter that I own. This is from Bare Minerals. This is the Love Affair. It's a very subtle highlighter. It's not that pigmented, but let me see. She's not that pigmented. I mean, she is kind of, but it's not like crazy pigmented. And I'm gonna, I have like this Anastasia blush trio, and I have like this very light orange shade, and just gonna dust it all over my nose and kind of my cheeks to set the, because this is like a cream, just set it in place just a little, but we're not gonna take it away from any of the color because it is an orange shade. So yeah, wow, I really love that. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm shook right now. Like so just gonna get a little bit of highlighter and put it down on this. So now for the final step, it's the lips. So now that I have like an orange kind of tint to lip, I'm gonna be using Glossier's Glossier's Birthday Balm Dotcom. So this smells like vanilla, and yeah. It has like fine glitter in here. I don't know if you're able to see like how it reflects. It has really cute glitters in here. Like it's very subtle though. It's not chunky, obvious glitter, but it's like a lip gloss glitter. Whoa, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's really moisturizing too. And they have different flavors and like shades, so don't feel like you need to get the clear one. Whoa. Oh my god, it feels like a birthday cake is on my mouth. It tastes good. Oops, to be honest. Wow, it's really, really pretty. I really like it. I feel like I'm missing an eyeliner to this look because I love eyeliner. So let me just put an eyeliner and I'll be right back. So this is the final makeup look using Glossier products. My first time ever using these. This is my first impression and I really, really like them. And I really like this look. As you guys can tell, it's really natural. It's probably the most natural I've ever been doing a makeup tutorial because I love, there's a fly. I really love to do like, you know, extra makeup looks, okay? Really like these products. I really recommend them. And maybe you guys will check out Glossier. I don't know if you ever have or have. They're really in a trendy right now. And I'm just wearing a brown eyeliner. It's very subtle. It's very natural. So as you guys can see. And the blush is beautiful. And the lips. It's really cute. So yeah. This was just a little vlog and a little video tutorial using these products, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like my video and check out these products. I will link them down below. And if you do get the chance to visit Glossier or buy Glossier, make sure you do research on products you actually really, really want or need or want to try out, because I feel like they're really worth it. But yeah. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Adios. Hasta luego. Bye.